Welcome back to the Mr. Fix-It channel. Today we're going to rebuild this Yamaha front brake master cylinder. Okay, this master cylinder is off of a 1989 Yamaha Radian 600. Let's take this pivot bolt out. So I need to clean up all this corrosion real quick. So I just tried to take my pick down inside and get underneath this bit right here. Just kind of dug around it. You can see all the corrosion in there. And then carefully pop that out of there. Alright, now there's a snap ring down in there, if you can see that. Okay, now that that's out, you can pull this out. There's a spring inside there. So you want to check the inside of this for scratches and score marks. If there's any scratches or score marks in this, you can get a little miniature cylinder hone for brake master cylinders, but typically they won't fit in these little ones. So if you can't find a tool to hone that out, you'll have to replace this. This one looks good, so I'm just going to replace the seals and we'll call it a day. Okay, now we just got to pop these seals off here. Okay, I got some .4 fluid here. I'm just going to lube these seals up with some brake fluid. And gently slide all this in. Install the new snap ring. I'm just going to push this snap ring in until it snaps. Hold the plunger down. Just look at it real close, make sure it's seated in there well. Alright, I'm going to take a little bit of this silicone grease and apply it in here. And a little more on this shaft. Insert the dust boot. Let's get it seated in that little pocket down in there. Here's the product number to the kit that I bought for this 89 Radian. Okay, so I got the pivot and the lever all cleaned up. Now, the lever pivots on this part here. So I'm going to put a little bit of grease on the pivot. I'm also going to dab some grease here. Let's not forget to insert the spring here. the nut back on. Alright, you want to make sure that this is all folded back in. And go ahead and pour some brake fluid in here. Now I'm just going to bleed this by hand here. This will get the process started. I'm just covering the port with my thumb. Alright, got that bled. Go ahead and put the top back on it. Find your screws. And that's pretty much it. Take it over to the bike and bleed it. Hey, if you guys like this episode, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.